minus 1 hour, 55 minutes.
Command transmitter secured for FTS cycle test.
Roger. Perform FTS cycle test.
Roger.
Verify solar radiation monitoring is active with elbow.
Roger. Centaur LO2 storage tank at chill down level.
Roger. Start Centaur LO2 transfer line chill down.
Roger.
CFA purge in displacement mode.
Roger.
At T-minus 1 hour, 54 minutes, 18 seconds and counting, this is Atlas Launch Control. Everything is continuing to flow smoothly for this morning's launch attempt of the Atlas V rocket from Launch Complex 41 at Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. Joining me now is NASA Launch Manager Tim Dunn. Good morning, Tim. Thanks for joining us.
You're welcome.
Well, given this is our third launch attempt following Saturday morning's launch scrub, the vehicle was rolled back to the vertical integration facility and then rolled back out on Tuesday, and I believe we have some video of that. If you could talk us through.
Yeah, I'd be glad to, Tracy.
Okay, if you could please roll the tape.
Okay, here you see the Atlas V with RBSP on the pad. This was very early Sunday morning. We scrubbed on Saturday morning. We spent the rest of Saturday detanking the cryogenics. About midnight Saturday night, early Sunday morning, we detanked RP1 off of Atlas. And then by this is about 6 a.m. in the morning, we were ready to bring the rocket off the pad back to the vertical integration facility. So you can see some winds kicking up out on the pad. The tropical storm was moving in. Here's a good view of the track mobiles bringing the rocket on the mobile launch platform, the MLP, off of Space Launch Complex 41, heading south, covering roughly a quarter mile back to the vertical integration facility. The entire move, once you get everything moving, only takes about 45 minutes, so it's a fairly quick operation. Certainly the preps of disconnecting on the pad, and then once we get back into the VIF and reconnecting the air conditioning systems, take a bit longer. This does show us easing right into the vertical integration facility. Nice view from one of the upper levels looking down. Great shot of the 4-meter payload fairing there. It's a shame we can't zero in on that artwork on RBSP, because that is some fantastic artwork. Really beautiful logo that the mission had designed. So here we are after we were in the VIF from all day Sunday, all day Monday. We took the opportunity to change out our C-band transponder that gave us some difficulty during our first attempt last week, but we were ready to come back out yesterday. Excuse me, I guess we're already into early Thursday morning, so this would have been Tuesday, late Tuesday. We are rolling back out of the vertical integration facility, heading north on the tracks, back up the slight incline up to Complex 41's launch mount. Nice artistic shot from the foliage there. Great view there looking north. Looks like a beautiful blue day. If you were to turn the cameras around and look south, we were being chased by some thunderstorm activity that was roughly about 30 miles away at this time. So the crew, the ULA crew, did a fantastic job of getting us back out onto the pad in advance of the bad weather. We were able to get our air conditioning hooked up right in advance of a phase 1 and then a phase 2 lightning warning. Nice shot looking up the rocket. Great shot of the air conditioning ducts coming off of the mobile system, and once we are on the pad, we connect the permanent system. Shot of the rails there, and we completed that activity on Tuesday, late Tuesday afternoon. We then loaded RP1 back into the first stage, completed that activity Tuesday evening about 9 p.m. and now we're in the countdown again. We just gave the go for cryotanking. Weather outlook looks promising. We're looking at about a 30% probability of violation. The only concern right now is cumulus clouds, so we're in a slightly better situation than we were early Saturday morning when we were last here. So tracking no launch vehicle anomalies, tracking no spacecraft anomalies, and the range looks good right now. So we're in good shape, Tracy.
Okay, well, that's great news. Well, thanks for stopping by this morning, and good luck to you and the team.
You're welcome.
Centaur LO2 transfer line chill down complete.
Roger. Start Centaur LO2 tanking.
Roger.
Perform Centaur LH2 SVV cycle test.
Roger.
At T-minus 1 hour, 45 minutes, 48 seconds and counting, this is Atlas Launch Control. At this time, super cold liquid propellants are running through the pipes at the launch pad to condition the lines ahead of loading the liquid oxygen and liquid hydrogen into the launch vehicle. Tanking will begin momentarily at T-minus 1 hour, 45 minutes, 22 seconds and counting. This is Atlas Launch Control.
Step 4.124, Centaur LH2 SVV cycle test complete.
Roger.
T-minus 1 hour, 43 minutes.
Centaur LO2 at 10%.
Roger.
At T-minus 1 hour, 40 minutes, 39 seconds and counting, this is Atlas Launch Control. As we just heard, loading of liquid oxygen into the Centaur stage is underway and is currently at 10%. Launching aboard a United Launch Alliance